Now we have imams that have no training in microbiology, and they write books on why evolution is not true. Right? Write a book on evolutionary biology that's recognized by evolutionary biology, and then follow that up with why you don't think. This is part of the problem with our civilization. It's become a very simplistic civilization. Its approach to problems is very simplistic. And this is not to say that everybody should become a metaphysician. On the contrary, there's not a lot of people that can actually do the work. It's difficult work. But if you don't have those people, then you have a major problem, because you lose the intellectual defenders of your faith. You lose the intellectual defender. And then the defense becomes either fanaticism or, even worse, violence, because fanaticism often leads to violence. The other thing that you lose is you lose the intelligent members of your community, because they have questions and they don't find answers for those questions. The world is a very troubling place, and if you don't think so, I don't know what planet you're on. But the world is a very troubling place, and to try to understand what the world is, what our place in the world is, to try to understand these things is very difficult.